Season 11 AVPL is finally over. The sun is shining still on us because of the effort, because of the hard work, because of the dedication, because of the practice that you all have given. Congratulations to all of you. This AVPL is not for one person, not for the core, not for one team. This is for all of us. This is a festival, right? Day in, day out. If we forget anything else in our life and we just do only one thing, that is AVPL. Drink water. Vijay, drink water. Pani do. Understand the hard work. From this, you can understand the sacrifice that a captain does for the team. Vijay, I congratulate you again for the amount of effort, support that you have given to the entire AVPL. That is another captain that we are proud of, and equally proud of all the captains. Okay, and this excitement is not visible for my specs, from my hairstyle, from this blazer, from this look, and from this voice. This comes from the ex-captain of India, Shekhar Naik sir. Please come up here. And with a slow walk and a stylish walk, the World Cup winning captain of India, Shekhar Naik, joins us. Sir, officially welcome to the presentation of AVPL finale.
Thank you so much.
My champion Samrat Gautam is going to ask you some simple questions from all of us.
First of all, welcome Shekhar sir. We have a few questions from the AVPL community side. Number one, Shekhar sir, what would be your message to every young person who face any kind of setback in their life?
Yes, we should not lose our hopes. In the final match, where the Metallica and the Panthers are playing, in the beginning, people thought that second batting is going to win. But the Panthers played very well, and of course, in the end, the Metallica team should not lose their hopes. Definitely, next time you are the winners.
Thank you, sir.
And for the second question, Shekhar sir, what is the first thought which came to your mind when you lifted the World Cup?
Yes, that day I still remember. People are telling that ये तो अंधा है, ये कुछ नहीं कर पाता है, ये कुछ नहीं कर सकता है. When receiving the World Cup, in my mind, I was thinking that I am capable for everything.
Yes.
Third and final question. Shekhar sir, how can one stay humble after getting so many accolades from the nation?
Good question.
Whatever you become, whatever you achieve, whatever the money you make, whatever the happy you are, still be humble like an ant.
Yes.
Thank you sir.
Gautam.
Yeah, thank you so much.
Thank you, Gautam. Good questions. And these answers coming from somebody who has won one of the highest civilian awards of India, Padma Shri. We would like to learn this from you, and I hope all these young kids who are playing cricket here or whatever sport learn from you, sir. You are truly an inspiration. After this, I would request one of the renowned artists of our AV, and also she is renowned in other cities, Reshma Venkat, to gift you something she had made with all her heart yesterday night.
Oh my God. Oh my God.
Reshma, please come,
I think
gift it.
This is the biggest gift for me. AVPL t-shirt I'm wearing. But still one more. Oh, welcome. Thank you.
You are a gift for us, sir. Can you please open it from
Oh my God.
the
I
packet?
can open it, sir.
Yeah.
Just take it out, madam. Thank you so much, madam. Oh my God!
One second. Take it. You can go join your team. Ashok sir, keep it. आपका निकलो छुट.
APL logo, amazing.
Did you like it?
Very much, sir. Not just a like. Very much. Thank you so much, madam.
There are some exhibitions which happen, and she is involved in that. We'll invite you there. Okay?
My goodness.
Please join us.
Sure, sir.
Thank you. Dikhao, sir. Show it this side. Show this side towards the camera. The value of every gift increases. It becomes invaluable when somebody like him receives it from us. Thank you, Reshma, for this hearty gift that you have created for us in our request. Thank you for that. All right. After that, every event happens because of contribution from lot of people, right? Not only from us organizers. So I would request the chairman of AVPL, Venkat sir, to please come. She's saying no, फिर से chairman. Announce again. I would request the chairman of AVPL to please come up here and thank each and everyone who has contributed to this fantabulous event, AVPL 11. You have? No.
थैंक्स कौशिक. 2 दिन से मैं ये चेयरमैन सुन के ना मेरे दिल में और कुछ ख्याल आ रहा है. Thanks for some announcement, I think. But anyway. So, first off, thank you all the players for participating, having your fights here and closing it here, not carrying it over. It was played in all the right spirit and appreciate that. First up, the biggest thank you goes to our sponsors, Let's Go Tripping, who have been with us for 6 seasons now. Tribuna for 5 seasons, and then our newest support, Astrolife. Thank you guys. We appreciate our support and we really want to make sure that we can also contribute and give back to you guys as much as we can. Thank you so much for believing and supporting this initiative. In the AVPL core team, we have, we'll go probably alphabetical. We have Ashish, Ankit, Ashok sir, I'm sorry, Keshav, Mr. Shetty, Nishant, Pallavi, Prabhakar, Rajat, Rajesh, Reshma, Sanjeet, Shalini, Suresh, Utsav, Vardhaman, Vishnu, Vivek Negi, and a minor contribution from this guy here, Kaushik. Thank you guys. Thank you for supporting this. And I also want to thank, I don't have all the names here, but thank you to everybody who did the officiating in these games, these umpires, the scorers, the guys who helped with the water. Thank you guys so much. Thank you. This is definitely a community initiative. It can't be run by 2 or 3 people. So thank you everybody for supporting this. I want to thank our media team. Media team, I think you guys know who the media team is. Jack Sparrow and team. Special thanks to one of the most important thing in this tournament. What is the most important thing in this tournament? Other than cricket? The food. Thanks to Rajesh, Suresh and Ashok for helping arrange that. And everybody else who helped out. Managing the facilities, logistics, coordinating for the tent, and coordinating all the match officials, not an easy thing. Thanks to Sanjeev, Ashok, Keshav and Ankit. Thank you guys. The trophies this time was selected. It's really good looking trophies selected by Ashok, Kaushik and Sanjeev. Thank you guys for managing it, coordinating that. For the women's team, it's never easy coordinating that part. Thanks Reshma, Pallavi and Shalini for taking care of that. Thank you so much. If there is something which is equally challenging, it's the junior team's coordination. it's not only the kids, we have to manage the parents as well. So thanks to Ashok, Shlok, Kanish and Ashish. I'm sure there are more people involved, but these are the key ones. Shriji as well, yeah, I saw Shriji. We have some world-class photographers who have dropped their time from their busy schedule and taken some really amazing photos here. Shri Ranjani, Rahul, Ankita, Ravi, Reshma, and Rahul, the other Rahul Sharma. Thanks to NF Sport for this ground. This was like a last-minute selection because we lost out on a few grounds. So this was actually last-minute selection, but I think it turned out to be pretty well. Everybody who came initially were like, ये 6 तो आराम से जाएगा. Total tournament में 6 6 पड़े हैं. और सबसे बुरी बात तो है कि 2 उस पे ये मारा. हाँ. Big thank you to all the folks from AVIs. I think there are a lot of people who played, but a lot of people who also came to support, right? And we saw a lot of young guys, young kids who are equally excited to participate in the future sessions, events. So looking forward to it. Thank you all, and thanks to the parents who helped coordinate all the practice sessions and things like that for us. Thank you so much. We do have one.
Medical.
One thing which I think it's also an indicator of the overall health and age level of this team. We definitely needed the medical kit multiple times this season. Thanks to Ashish for arranging the medical kit.
जो खुद टूटा फूटा होके मेडिकल किट लेके आता है, हमारा डॉक्टर खुद टूटा फूटा है. Thank you, man. What a spirit, Ashish. After getting injured, your contribution amazing, man. Thank you.
We do have one special award which was not initially planned, but just for the N2, just for the way that he played, and also for the fact that he is the youngest debutant we have had all seasons. A special award goes to Vedu.
You.
Sir, can I come this side? Sir, this side. ठीक है?
अभी भी अगर किसी को कोई डाउट है कि एवीपीएल किस लिए खेलते हम लोग, दिस इज ट्रूथ, दिस इज ट्रूथ. ये एवीपीएल का सत्य है.
Also, one other announcement that we wanted to make earlier, now I'm doing it now. We have the AVPL juniors, so as a natural progression, there are 3 kids in the juniors who will be progressing on to play in the seniors from the next session. Hari, Chittar, and Adi. Come over, guys. You have been bullying these kids for long. Now it's time to get bullied by these people. I have never seen anybody so happy
Hari,
for somebody going out.
shake hand. Photo ले लो.
And we did have rumors coming here that
Ashok sir, please stand there.
somebody whom I'm standing next to, I will not name him, he wanted to replace Rajesh as the captain of Panthers. Come on, thank you. And with that, I will hand it back.
But still you'll be there. You'll be here.
Back to Kaushik.
Thank you, Chairman. Thank you, Venkat sir. When you thank all of us, the effort really comes out and looks bright and golden under the sun. Thank you, sir. All right. Then next presentation for AVPL juniors. Thank you guys for the discipline. Thank you for listening to all of us. And the rules in your game is completely different from ours. You all remember that and play it. Thank you for that. So AVPL juniors presentation will start. And for the presentation, sir, I request you to please come here. Shekhar sir, Ashok sir, Ashok sir, please come here. Huh? Okay. All right. Sir, please. आप ये प्रेजेंट करोगे ना इसके साथ.
So, moving on to individual awards in the AVPL juniors.
Sanjit,
We had a lot of
can you come
mixed
here? Can you come here? He will pass the trophies. Pass it.
The best batsman.
We'll give, sir. You stand there. Don't come out. Guys, don't shout. Don't shout. He'll announce.
Adi.
Yes! Adi hat-trick! Adi on a hat-trick! Hat-trick of best batsman! You won already two! Hat-trick! Yeah!
Best bowler. Best bowler. Award goes to Vishnu Junior.
You come.
Raghav.
Chiranjeevi.
Best bowler. Congratulations, Raghav. Well bowled, boy. Kabir was a close second. Well bowled, Kabir. Your first season, I think.
Thank you.
Well bowled, Kabir, as well. As well. एकदम बात पे गया है कुछ Best fielder. Quite a lot of good fielding this time. The best fielder award goes to Priyam.
Oh. उसके तेरे एक्सप्रेशन फिर से कैमरा में दिखा, वो एक्सप्रेशन कैमरा में दिखाना फिर से.
Hey Raghu, if you got best fielder, you should water.
Wallpaper ready.
For
the
MVP को बैट भी है, MVP को बैट भी है,
MVP को देना, ये चेंज कर दिया.
को बैट है ना, MVP को ही बैट है, 3 MVP इसको बैट है.
player of the tournament, I announce the top 5. Okay, from 5 to 1. Number 5, Pratik. Number 4, Kabir. Number 3, Adi. Number 2, Raghav.
संजीत.
But
both ना MVP. Player of the series.
For the juniors is Bulbul.
जो विनर्स चैंपियन जाएंगे ना, वो बोर्ड के पास जाएंगे. वहाँ पे किसी को फोटो लेने के लिए बोलो. जो राहुल नहीं घूमेगा.
मैं बोल रही हूँ विनर्स अपना वुमेन्स में बेस्ट फील्डर किसको दे रहे हो?
नहीं पता, वो फ़ोन में होगा ना, भैया देखेंगे बोला. भैया के पास लिस्ट है. हाँ,
मेरे हिसाब से दिशा वाज वेरी गुड.
लेकिन वैसे नहीं होगा ना, वो बेस्ट फील्डर जो दिखाएगा वो देना पड़ेगा ना. नहीं तो सब लोग देखेंगे ना सिस्टम, वैसे हम लोग मान
आता है
सकते.
क्या?
हाँ, बेस्ट फील्डर आता है. बेटर
कैसे आता है इसमें?
आता. Where is the captain? He will have to announce one by name of your team members. Okay, guys, please listen to the captain. He will call your names. Yeah. Stand here.
You take the last.
You will be the last one to take. Please go. Go as per the captain.
Adi, go.
Whoever is not there, you will take it. Slowly. Guys, slowly.
We take a common photo here.
हाँ, लेंगे. Little, not there.
Where's my bat? Bro, just stole my bat. छोटा बच्चा, I gave it to my son.
कितना मेडल लेगा रे?
Slowly, guys. Gather there. Gather near Adi there for one photo.
Congratulations, team. Congratulations. Well played. And the captain, Pratik. Congratulations, Pratik. Well played, boy.
Pratik, take it. Take one extra. Pratik, take one extra. Assemble here.
Come this way.
Photo, sir. The trophy, you will go there.
Guys,
Listen to the captain. PPL Junior Chitarth, the captain, please come here and announce your team members. Okay, look towards the camera.
Hari,
Hari. Don't be slow, Hari.
Archit,
Summer.
Vihan, Rohan Senior,
अशोक सर ने बोला आफ्टर, क्योंकि वो
Pradyumna,
ये स्प्रेड हो जाएगा ऑडियंस. हाँ ट्रॉफी है ना. हाँ हाँ सिर्फ विनर.
Kabir, Lucky, and Rohan Junior.
And finally, the captain of the champions team, Chittarth, please receive your medal. And Shekhar sir, please hand over the winning trophy to Chittarth. Team Thunderbolts, ladies and gentlemen, champion of AVPL Season 11 Juniors. Please come here. Team, please come. Join the captain. You have one more celebration, don't worry. You'll get it there, okay? Take a proper photo with Shekhar sir. Done? Photo done? Take a photo there. Photo done? And Shekhar sir. Omi and Chittarth, please come here. Please receive your caps. Take some photos. Guys, what is... ये गधा ही लोग बैठ रहे जाके उधर. फोटो लो. रोहित सर, take photo please. राहुल सर, प्लीज टेक द फोटो. और किसी के पास फोन है तो फोटो ले लो. All right, Chittarth, please join your team. All right, after this, I will still slowly cook this presentation. I am in no hurry. I will request Sanjeet from Let's Go Tripping to give a short message for all of you. Thank you, Sanjeet, please.
Short message, okay. Thank
No
you.
penalties, please. Only on LGT.
Hello everyone, I'm from Let's Go Tripping. Me, Vishan, Rajat, and Anatha from Couple. We are the co-owners of Let's Go Tripping. We have been sponsoring from AVPL 5. So this is our 7th season sponsoring AVPL, and we would like to continue the sponsorship for the next season also. So coming back to Let's Go Tripping, we are the travel agency in Bangalore. So we do flight tickets, end-to-end packages, both domestic as well as international. So recently we have opened a new office in Nalluralli only. So you can do visit us, check our service beforehand, and then do book with us for flights or for packages. You will get to know our service. And last, if you search best travel agency in Bangalore, we will be in the top 2 agencies. So do visit us, and there are some of our customers who ask their experience and do come to us. Yeah, thank you.
Thank you, Sanjeet. Finally, some word from Let's Go Tripping. Thank you. And on behalf of Astro Live and Triguna, I also say that please go visit their website or application, whatever service you can avail, which is of your benefit, please do that. Thank you to all the sponsors again. Next category is AVPL Women's. With all the hard work and effort, and you guys know whom I am pointing to, we have finally managed to finish another season of AVPL Women's. For the presentation, I will request Reshma Venkat and Shiranjani to please come up here, join Shekhar sir for the presentation. Just come here. Just stand here. Shekhar sir will be in the middle. You guys just stand here. All right. Venkat sir, please start.
All right. Phone. Amma ka phone. All right. So this was the women's AVPL. The results seem to be one-sided, but the games were not. So congratulations to both the teams. The best batsman, it was a close call.
Kautam. Where is Kautam? Kautam.
The best batter, It was a close call.
अमित भाई,
81
एक
by
photo खींच,
Pallavi,
गौतम का और मेरा।
94 by Supriya. The best batter.
Photo.
Shalini,
We have not taken one
98.
photo.
ये कैप्टनसी का फायदा उठाया गया है. Congratulations, Shalini. Well played. I think it was only 15 in the team, right, in the tournament, right, for the women's. Well played, Shalini.
Congratulations.
बॉलिंग के टॉप 3 नंबर 3 पर मैं नंबर 4 भी बोल दूंगा, मेरी बेटी है. नंबर 4 स्वरा, नंबर 3 पर चेतना,
ओहो,
एकदम मोदी की तरह एक काम करेगा लेकिन पूरा करेगा. नंबर 2 स्निग्धा,
हे स्निग्धा 2 में चल.
एंड द बेस्ट बॉलर, द मोस्ट हेजिटेंट प्लेयर ऑफ दिस टूर्नामेंट, शिल्पा जैन.
Hey! Congratulations, the first lady of Metallica.
कॉन्ग्रेचुलेशन शिल्पा.
स्निग्धा के लिए एक तो होगा ना कुछ, एक प्राइज प्लीज प्लीज.
नहीं
धोखा.
फील्डर पे नंबर 3 रुक्मिणी, नंबर 2 अगेन पल्लवी. पल्लवी रिमेन्स इन द टॉप ऑलवेज.
Yeah.
And the winner, amazing fielding, Disha.
Oh! दिशा उड़ के जा, उड़ के जा, उड़ के जा.
Vikram.
योगा कौन किया, ट्रॉफी कौन लिया, समझ में नहीं आया. विक्रम भाई इधर आ जा भाई, फोटो इधर से ले. विक्रम कम हियर. वेट मिस्टेक. लेट द फादर टेक द फोटो. इतना योगा किया है, फोटो लेने के लिए बोला, वो फोटो में आ गया. चलो ठीक है, अपने ही विक्रम भाई. बीवी को नहीं बुलाया, बीवी को नहीं बुलाया.
The top 5 in the
बैट
top 5
प्लेयर ऑफ द सीरीज.
in the player of the tournament for the women. Top 5 from the number 5. Neil, number 5, first time, brilliant performance, Neil.
वेल डन नील.
Number 4, Supriya. Number 3, Shalini. Number 2, Snigdha. And the winner, टीम नहीं जीती लेकिन मोस्ट वैल्यूबल प्लेयर ऑफ द टूर्नामेंट, पल्लवी.
यो
Congratulations, Pallavi. Well played.
हाँ.
Congratulations, Pallavi.
Cap. Both the captains.
Both the captains,
Please come up here. Shalini and Pallavi for the cap from our India captain Shekhar Naik sir.
Give to him.
To both the captains.
Congratulations. Congratulations.
This one is okay. Medals. You first announce your team members. टीम के साथ आ जाना फिर. शालिनी जपाती. Pallavi, please come and announce your team, and whoever is not there, you will receive the medal on behalf of them. Okay? क्या माइक. Okay, okay, चलो ठीक है. माइक, भाभी माइक. Okay, the first name please.
Maushmi.
प्रिया भूल गई कि वो खेली आज.
साईश्री. वंदना. रुक्मणी, नील, त्रिपुरा, they left. I'll take.
Yeah. Followed by Shalini. Please come up here and announce your team members. हाँ नहीं है, लास्ट में कुछ लोग नहीं है. लास्ट में लोग नहीं है जिसका नाम बोला. अच्छा टीम फोटो. हाँ फोटो गो देयर, टेक द फोटो. टीम फोटो. Okay, golden one. And the winners medal. Shalini, please come here. Mic, please.
The winning team.
Mic. Who took the mic?
Mike, Shalini. Announce the team members one by one.
Shilpa,
Congratulations, well played.
Congratulations.
Well played.
Congratulations, revivers.
Yo! The batting that everybody comes with a ticket to see.
Isha,
And the flying jet Disha.
Swara,
ओ हो जो ओपनिंग बॉलिंग की है बेसबॉल और क्रिकेट का शादी करवाते हुए बॉलिंग की है स्वरा ने.
Snigdha,
पापा का मम्मी का सबका लेके जाएगा ये. जायदाद किसके पास जाएगा क्लियर है, ठीक है.
Well played, Snigdha.
गुड वन. ओहो
Congratulations, Reshma. And the superstar at the end.
नाचते हुए जाओ.
Ravi, photo आने का.
हाँ, अरे घूमते हुए जाओ. And finally the captain.
Captain, congratulations. Team, split up.
First, India captain Shekhar Naik sir to present the AVPL season 11 Women's Champions Trophy to Team Revivers.
Congratulations, revivers. Hey, सुन. Shilpa. Oh, wow. Good fight. Well played, well deserved.
Come on, Snigdha. Next time you should play. Okay.
Trophy. The pay-per-view for which you all have invested your time, money and energy. All the sweat and blood is for the men's category. AVPL Season 11 winners are Panthers. All right, Venkat sir, please announce the individual awards for the men's category.
Everything won by Spartan. So next.
Sir. Hold it for me. And yes, carry from this one. I'm the runner-up, no? Carry from this. Only at the end, after the winners trophy are given, you give it to me. Okay.
All right, AVPL 11. Best batsman, the only one who crossed 100 and was the best batsman by far. Metallica superstar, Vishnu. बेटा बेस्ट बॉलर बाप बेस्ट बैट्समैन इन लोग घर पे ही रखने वाले ट्रॉफी से. Congrats Vishnu, well played man. At number 2 actually was Rohit 86 and Sai Kumar at 68. Sai Kumar को नहीं मिला. हो आज जो दिल को ठंडक पड़ी है. Samar 55, well played man. Best bowler at number 4 Rohit 6 wickets. Rajesh 6 wickets. Negi for a change number 2 7 wickets. And the best bowler, ये कहते हुए मुझे कितना तकलीफ हो रहा है, निशांत शेट्टी बेस्ट बॉलर. और ये स्पार्टन्स का नसीब है, जिसको हम बैटिंग के लिए लेते हैं वो बॉलिंग करता है, जिसको बैटिंग के लिए बॉलिंग के लिए लेते हैं वो बैटिंग कर रहा है. सेटिंग करते हो. Congratulations निशांत. On the fielding, number 5 is Nishant, number 4 Rajat Khurana, number 3 Shlok, number 2 Keshav, and the winner with 8 catches and 1 important drop, Kaushik Kalinga. Congratulations, Kaushik. Congratulations, Kaushik. Well deserved.
This one is for Vishnu. This one is for Vijay. Love you guys. Love you for the trust. Love you everybody. Thank you. This is my first individual trophy after playing 11 seasons.
Congratulations. The player of the tournament at number 5. He is an old warhorse. Never fails to surprise. Always stands up to be counted. Number 5, Samar. Big round of applause for him. So we talked about the old guy. Number 4 is the young guy. Slok Venkatraman. ये बंदा ने ये टूर्नामेंट में क्या किया नंबर 3 में आने के लिए? निशान शेट्टी नंबर 3 मोस्ट वैल्यूएबल प्लेयर.
कैसे मिला ये?
Number 2 well deserved Vishnu. And the player of the tournament. Put your hands together for the Canadian import. Rohit. Congratulations, Rohit. Welcome back, boy. और ये लड़का सबके सब जायदाद उठा के भाग रहा है. It's time to give out the individual medals. I would like to invite the captain of Metallica, Vardhaman.
Come on, Metallica! VJ! 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 VJ!
उत्सव
Metallica line up.
विष्णु
Congrats, congrats. Keep the claps going, guys. Keep the claps.
समर सुमित कौन सर कौशिक
मजाक नहीं कर सकते. Congratulations, Vardhaman. Brilliant effort, boy. They were playing unbelievable cricket till the finals. They had the game till the last 3 overs. It's just that luck. Congratulations. Big cheers. The team can join him now. Team can join. Oh, both kids are Sanvi. Both the kids are Sanvi there. Congratulations again. Metallica team can join the captain now.
Sanvi, look at here.
Congratulations, guys. Well played. You fought really hard.
Thank you. Hold on, Metallica.
Now, these are signed caps of the Shekhar Naik Academy Foundation from Shekhar sir. Thank you, sir.
टीम को देना बेटा बाद में आप ले लेना टीम को फोटो खींचने
दोनों साथ में आ जाओ फोटो में एक.
घर ही रहेगी ये ना.
I will ask Rajesh to stay back. Thank you, Buddha.
क्या चाबी दे
I will ask Rajesh to stay back and call his team. I hope he remembers his team.
ये राहुल अंकल की गाड़ी का
Ankit. Well played, Ankit.
Sloki,
Praveen KVD. Praveen TS.
Keep the cheers going, guys. It's the winning team. Come on.
विक्रम भाई सबका भाई है.
प्रेसिडेंट साहब.
गुरु.
गुरु देवो महेश्वरा.
राहुल where are you? राहुल.
वो इनोवा कहाँ हो? He got a new car yesterday.
Rohit.
I thought the winning team was going to sit on that car today, no? Once again, this guy. I'm getting tired of him now.
ये वो लड्डू है जिसकी लड़ाई हुई थी वेंकट भैया, ये वो लड्डू है जिसमें लड़ाई हुई थी.
कौन सत्या? ये आधे टाइम तो फिल्म शूट के लिए निकलता है, गलती से क्रिकेट में आ गया.
सुमन.
Mr. Sagi, the cool opener. Well played, Sagi.
None other than an angry man and my brother. A couple one.
शादी का कुछ तो फायदा हुआ. Congratulations team. And you also, I think, you should also get an award.
Abani is off today.
And your medal, you are still in the team. They didn't remove you.
Now I will go like this.
The team can join. Come on, team. Congratulations, Panthers. Sir, come in the middle.
Three cheers for Panthers. Hip hip. Congratulations. Come on,
Shekhar sir, I would invite you to the center. We'll take a photo with the core team. Thank you. Ashok, center.